Oh baby, I like this one a lot. We got a 2018 Ford F150. You know those OEM LED headlights are like 2,400 bucks? And the new Morimoto XB LED ones that are coming out are like 1,500, just as a price reference point, you know. So these should outperform all of those other options because they are a Morimoto MD2S projector retrofit with the Morimoto XB 55 watt HID package. That's 50 watt ballast and 50 watt bulbs in a mini D2S. Man, these things are bright. You can see down the road. They are gorgeous. And they have the ocular shrouds. That's a bi-xenon assembly. And then down in the high beam location, I also did a profile high lens, which is wired up with the DRL activated. So that is part of the running lights. We also have two profile pivot switchback strips there and there, as well as, let's not forget, those Morimoto XB LED fog lights, which have been aimed as well. Now, what's real fun about this, thank goodness it was a really good friend's car because this took a lot longer than anticipated. I had to relay isolate the running light circuit as well as the blinker circuit on both sides for all of this lighting to function directly as it should have, because I actually hooked it up to the parking light wire rather than a switched ignition source. So these strips don't just come on when the car is on, they come on when they're supposed to, which is real fun because you'll see as I open the door, they come on. So this is as the OEM intended. Check it out. Heyo! So DRL strips on the top and bottom also have a profile switchback LED bulb in this spot right here. So that's real cool. And we also have the headlights, which as they warm up, they will be super bright. Like I said, they are also the pure white, the 5800 Kelvin, and so everything's gonna match. All the LEDs are gonna be the same color and look real good. Bow! Boom! Boom! So much light. Boom! Boom! Pow! All right, now we're on the other side. I'm going to show you the blinker in action. Check that out. So the strips are full switchback, as well as that bulb in there is also switchback. Pretty cool. All right, well, that's it for this truck. It was a joy. I liked it a lot, and I'm happy with the way it came out, and that's pretty much it. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Holla at your boy. See ya!